What's up guys, this is Cree coming to you from Austin, Texas, and I just got back from one of our rental properties and we just fixed a $583 plumbing issue for $5. So stay tuned, check out the whole video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification in order to get notifications of whenever I do future videos to help you with managing your rental property portfolio and increasing your income. So what was going on was we were having an issue with hot water coming out from the cold pipe and cold coming out from the hot pipe. So what we did was we shut off the main water valve and then we switched the pipes. And I'm gonna show you guys what we did to save ourselves $583 on a plumbing bill. It was a simple fix, and the plumber, I won't name names, we called out, came out, and kind of gave us the runaround a little bit. They were out here, and then they left because they couldn't get a hold of me because it was like 15 minutes wait time. And then they came back out, and then they also couldn't get a hold of me in 15 minutes, so they left again. So we figured, myself and the client here, we're gonna go ahead and fix it. All we did was switch the pipes, and we turned the hot water heater down, and that solved the problem, saving us $583. So let's go ahead and show you what we're talking about.
Already. This one should stay cold.
Oh yeah.
I'll try it. Okay, if you want to. So this is heating up already, right? Mm-hmm. And cold water goes, it's marked cold and it's going into the cold water input. This is marked hot. It's running cold, but it's going into a hot water input. So,
are you sure they're not switched?
Yeah, I'm sure.
So yeah, this one's going into this.
Yeah, but
that's hot.
That's hot.
That's marked hot on here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow. So yeah, in order to get this line, what you need is, so this arrow, just using a regular forged steel wrench I picked up at an auto parts store, you can take this key right here, and nothing fancy about it. You just literally turn it, and if you go all the way, it'll shut off the water to the house. Just because I already did this, I didn't rotate it all the way in the video, but normally you want to turn it all the way till you can't turn it anymore, and that will shut the valve. When we come over here into the laundry area, what was going on was these hoses are switched. So these hoses are switched. This is hot, this is cold. The water coming out is cold and hot. So when they actually put this into the house, they've got them backwards. So what we were doing was, our client was having issues because when they turned on the water, it was scalding hot and it was mismarked. So what we did was we switched the hoses. We had to turn off the water first at the water line into the house. And then the other thing we did was, over here, with the water heater, it was set to hot. So what you wanna do is, on our water heater, you can see it says very hot, hot, right? When I start to turn it this way, it starts to heat it up. You hear that? If I turn it down to here, it's just hot, right? It won't be scalding. It says risk of scalding increases with hotter water. So what I would recommend doing is turn it down, and if you need it hotter, turn it up hotter based on temperature needs. So these folks have a baby. We wanna make sure that the water is not super hot, because if it comes out of the faucet, or if it comes out of the washing machine or something like that, then it could burn the baby, right? So we don't want the water to be too hot. So just simply turning this down and switching those water lines solve the problem. Save us $583, right? So just always double check, because yeah, I mean, the technician said that we would have to replace the walls, the plumbing, at the pipes, at the wall, but honestly, like, we don't need to change those pipes out. We just need to turn the water down and then turn that off and switch the pipes again, so that whenever you press the cold button, it comes out cold and not hot. So for the cost of a $4 wrench, we were able to solve a plumbing problem that was supposed to cost us $583. And I was like, that seems a little bit pricey for, you know, this. All we're really doing is basically just switching the hoses and turning down the temperature a little bit. But that goes to show you guys, like, always get a second opinion. I have to be really handy, so I figured I'd just come over here and just take care of it really quickly. It was in and out in 30 minutes. I mean, some people will try and charge you for things that you don't need, but at the same time too, I do value plumbing professionals. I do value electricians. I do value like people that have been extensively trained. Just that it's hard to find a good quality professional. So what you need to do is you need to go out and do your due diligence, research people online, call them, call and get a couple of different quotes. We just happen to have, you know, the client has some friends coming over, so we had to kind of get things done quickly. But we were able to solve it, save the owner $583, and all bottom line, that's like, you know, it's not money in my pocket, but at the same time, it's like, it's goodwill. So anyways, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to hit the the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified of whenever we produce future videos, have updates, tips and tricks, stuff like that for your business, your rental properties, your investment portfolio, you name it. When it comes to online marketing or business or real estate investing, we've got it. So I'll check you guys next time. Close this guy and good. Good to go. And so